Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to turn off Facebook likes and comment. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, open and update your Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store. Just update the apps and open it. After that, come to the profile sections and go to the post whatever you want to turn off Facebook likes and comments. Just click to the three dot menu and then click to the privacy options and just click to the only me or friends accept options. After that, come back and then click to the three dot menu also and then click to the who can comment on your posts. So after that, just click to the profile and pages you mention and then click to the done options. After that, no one can likes and comments to your Facebook post whatever you did with these options. So that's the process how you can turn off Facebook likes and comments. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos